Hello guys, it's Rock Visual here. Today I'm going to show you how to make another rendering scene on Lumion 11. So I have already put a lot of trees, rocks and a wooden sled. And next step is going to be the composition. We're going to choose a camera angle. I've already did. So I've already choose my camera angle. So the first effect that we're going to use is going to be real sky. We're going to put overcast 1. Leave brightness and overall brightness to 1. Next effect that we're going to use is going to be reflection. Going to use a reflection plane when the glass is. Next effect that we're going to use is going to be color correction. Increase the temperature to 0.3, and we're going to decrease it later on Photoshop. Increase tint to 0.1. Leave vibrance to 0. Increase brightness to 0.8. Contrast 0.5 is fine. Saturation saturation 0.9. Gamma correction 1 is fine. Limit low, leave it how it is, 0 and 1. Next effect that we're going to use is going to be precipitation. We're going to put rain/snow to 0.6. Precipitation phase to 0.5. Quantity we need to decrease it a little bit, maybe to 0.4. Particle size, increase it to 0.7. Blocked by plants and trees, leave it 0.2. Blocking distance, maybe 0.1. Extra fog addition, we're going to decrease it to 0.1. And other settings are just fine. Don't forget to turn on 2-point perspective. And the last effect that we're going to use is going to be Skylight. Brightness 0.1. Saturation leave it at 1, and render quality to high. We don't need it to be ultra. And the last effect that we're going to use is going to be shadow. So increase sun shadow range to 433. As for the coloring, leave it to 0.3. Brightness, you need to decrease it. Maybe something like this. 0.003. Interior exterior, leave it to 0. Omni shadow, leave it how it is. As for shadow correction, maybe increase it just a little bit. So now it's good. Maybe we can increase the brightness a little bit. And now all you need to do is press render, print, and save it. So after the rendering is done, we're going to make some post-production to it. So the first thing that we're going to do is going to press Ctrl J, and after that Ctrl Shift A. We are going to increase the exposure to 0.15. As for the contrast, maybe we need to increase it to 5. Highlight, put highlight to -100, so we have a cleaner look to the sky. Shadow, put that to -5. As for the texture, maybe increase it just a little bit, maybe to 7. Clarity, leave clarity to 3. Dehaze, put dehaze to -8 or -7. Vibrance, leave vibrance to 5 and saturation to 3. Then press OK. So this is our final image. If you want more tutorials about Lumion and 3ds Max, let me know by liking and subscribing to this channel. Thank you for watching, guys.